Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and super handy tutorial. How to rotate a PDF file in 2025. Whether you're dealing with a scanned document that's upside down or a file that got rotated by accident, this guide will have you fixed up in no time. PDFs are everywhere, in work, school, and even personal projects, so knowing how to edit them is a must. Let's jump right in. First things first. The easiest way to rotate a PDF is using free tools like Adobe Acrobat Reader, which most of you probably already have installed. Open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once it's loaded, look for the View menu at the top. Click on it, and you'll see an option for Rotate View. Select Clockwise or Counterclockwise, depending on what you need. This will rotate the view temporarily, but if you want a permanent change, go to the Tools tab. Select Organize Pages, and then choose Rotate from the options. Easy peasy. If you don't have Adobe installed, don't worry, there are plenty of online alternatives. Head over to websites like SmallPDF or iLovePDF. Upload your file, and they'll have a simple rotate button right there. Just select the pages you want to rotate, choose the direction, and download the updated file. It's fast, secure, and works on any device. Pro tip. Always check for watermarks on free tools, and make sure to use reputable sites to protect your data. For those on the go, you can even do this on your phone. Apps like Adobe Acrobat or PDF Expert on iOS and Android let you rotate pages with a few taps. Open the app, select your file, and use the edit tools to rotate as needed. Remember, rotating a PDF doesn't change the original file unless you save it, so always double-check your work. There you have it. Rotating a PDF is straightforward and can save you tons of frustration. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.